everyone, I'm here with another layout. So my background is Basil cardstock, of course. That zigzag strip is Keeping Cozy, called Cozy Toes. I'm going to layer that there. I'm going to use a peach strip, that right there. Oh my gosh, Theo. Man, that cat is irritating me. And is Hip Kit Club's Grandma's House from the October kit. The blue polka dot strip is from Crepe Paper's Fresh Bouquet. There's Pandy's gonna lay next to me. Can hear the crickets. I was surprised at 3 o'clock this morning when I got up. The birds that were chirping outside, I don't know what kind of birds they were. And now all I hear are crickets. They must have went to bed. And I'm having a problem getting it straight. And I can see from here it's still not straight. Wow. Alright, looked like it wasn't straight anyway. Alright. Alright, so that floral pattern right there is the reverse side of the blue polka dot strip. And then that blue and pink polka dot is from the reverse side of the peach strip, which was Hip Kit Club's Grandma's House from the October kit. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize he was giving himself a bath. Jeez, Patton. And I'm using my cutter. It's so big, I should have got the smaller one, but I didn't. Or maybe I can go back and get the smaller one. My cutter bug? Caterpillar? Maybe it's Caterpillar. I got the Caterpillar Pro, I think, which is the big one with the light. I think I might want to invest in a smaller one. I don't know. We shall see. That snowflake pattern is the reverse side of the zigzag pattern. I'm just looking, I never put the die cuts that I use. I apologize for Patton. I'm just like, oh, come on, Patton. I wanted to try to use the strip, but that little strip I cut off, but it wasn't working, so I'm like, nah. Hmm. So those must be the die cuts from Keeping Cozy. And this is a picture my friend took. It was a view from her house. I guess she looks out and this is what she sees. So I try to let, winter is coming, I just use the die cut. So I'm just going to say everything on here is Keeping Cozy. Because for whatever reason, I did not write it down. So let me do that right now. And I'm sure that within that kit, there was also some snowflakes. And I'm going to use these phrase strips. I've had these since last December 2019. So these are left over from that. And I'm going to use these with the snowflakes just to kind of help complete it. Yeah. And so once I finish this, then I will complete my layout. So thanks for watching and being patient with the cats constantly in my way. Anyway, when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.